This is the team from First Colonial. This is the team from Granby, and they're here to meet the Tidewater Challenge. Now here's your host, Ed Pillett.
Good evening and welcome to Tidewater Challenge. We want to welcome the squad from First Colonial High School and from Granby High School. The first time Granby's been on Tidewater Challenge. We want to welcome all 8 team members, their alternates and coaches. And let's begin with an introduction from First Colonial. Granby won the toss and deferred to that team from the beach. So, Ryan, if you would, please introduce yourself.
My name is Ryan Bosch. I'm a 16-year-old senior at First Colonial High School. I'm a member of the varsity tennis team and basketball team, and I tutor chemistry in my spare time. I hope to attend Duke University and study medicine.
All right. Good to have you here, Ryan. Welcome back to Tidewater Challenge. David, welcome.
Hi. My name is David Shepard. I'm a 17-year-old senior at First Colonial High School. I'm vice president of my school's Interact Club, and I play varsity soccer. I hope to attend Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute and study biomedical engineering.
All right. Good to have you here, David. First time on Tidewater Challenge. Paul, welcome back to the game.
Hi, my name is Paul Bebo. I'm a junior at First Colonial High School, and I'm currently writing a play for the thespian troupe and involved in debate. I hope to attend Princeton University or UVA and study either international law or English.
All right, Paul. Good to have you here. Welcome back. And Chris, welcome back.
Thank you, Ed. My name's Chris Lanning. I'm a senior at First Colonial High School, president of the Honor Society, where I'm currently organizing a student-based docent program with area museums. I hope to attend Duke University in the fall of '87 and pursue a dual major in computer science and economics.
Good luck with those plans. Chris, Paul, David, Ryan, welcome, gentlemen. Let's get the game underway. We'll meet the team from Granby High School in just a minute. Get some points on the board for First Colonial. 6 questions in the first round, 20 points for correct answers, no penalties. Team members may confer, 140 points possible. So if you're ready, let's look at the monitor for the first clue and the first anagram. You see 2 words. This harmless phrase hides a venomous word, as the letters can be rearranged to nickname in a snaky sort of way. What Confederate sympathizers who lived in the North during the Civil War?
Copperheads.
Copperheads is what they were called indeed. Good for 20 points, gentlemen. Next, please. Definition question. If you use the word supercilious to describe a person, would you mean that he was haughty, handsome, or headstrong?
Haughty.
Haughty. The correct answer. Good for 20 points. Single answer. To unlock the secret of this question, you would precede these names with what word denoting islands off the coast of Florida?
Key.
Key, the correct answer, or Keys. Largo, Key West. Next, 40-point question here. Two parts to the question. Listen carefully. By filling in the blanks, you can form what 2 words? One, a water ditch around a castle. The other, a vessel for navigating most any kind of water.
Moat and boat.
Moat and boat. Correct answer. 40 points. Easy to get us started. Next, please, choice question. Of these 3 Shakespearean women, which one was the mother of Hamlet? Olivia, Gertrude, or Hermia?
Gertrude.
Gertrude. Correct answer. Good for 20 points, gentlemen. And the last question, the quotation, freedom of the press and other media. Our Constitution guarantees freedom of the press, but this up-to-date wording appears in the new constitutional document of what Commonwealth country whose networks broadcast in English and in French?
Canada.
Canada, the correct answer, and that ends round 1 for First Colonial High School. Now it's time to meet the squad from Granby High School, and we'll begin on the inside. If you would, Gordon, introduce yourself, please.
Thank you. My name is Gordon Davis. I'm a 15-year-old sophomore at Granby High School, and I'm a member of the Spanish Club, Science Club, and the debate team.
All right, Gordon, good to have you here. Craig, welcome to Tidewater Challenge.
Thank you. My name is Craig Sapp, and I'm a 17-year-old senior. I'm a member of Granby's Concert Band and Orchestra, the National Honor Society, Science Club, and treasurer of the Key Club.
All right, Gordon. Craig. Kirsten, please introduce yourself. I'm sorry.
Hi, I'm Kirsten Beshara. I'm a 17-year-old senior at Granby High School. I swim, play soccer, and I'm a delegate for Model UN.
All right, Kirsten. And Gil, welcome.
My name is Gil Lamas. I'm a 16-year-old junior at Granby, and my interests are with the school's soccer and junior RTC drill team.
All right, Granby High School, let's get the game underway for you. Young team, let's begin. Remember, 20 points, no penalties. Team members, you may confer 6 questions, 140 points possible. Let's begin. Look at your monitor for your anagram. You see the word postage. Rearrange the letters, and this word will bear the stamp of Heinrich Himmler and what secret police organization he headed in Nazi Germany.
Gestapo.
That is the correct answer, Gestapo. Good for 20 points. Definition. Check your prefixes here and tell me which of these meters measures humidity or moisture in the air. Is it a hygrometer, an anemometer, or altimeter?
Hydrometer.
Hygrometer is the correct answer. Good for 20 points. Next, please. What one mathematical term will you add to these adjectives to produce the interchangeable names given the Rocky Mountain ridge that separates east from west flowing water?
Divide.
Divide, the correct answer. Good for another 20 points. Now here's your two-part fill-in, Granby. Fill in the blanks to name first the sacred book of Islam, and second, the Hebrew name for the 5 books of Moses which contain the teachings of Judaism.
First one's Koran, and the second one's Torah.
That is the correct answer. The Koran and Torah, good for 40 points, Granby. Question number 5. In tracing his roots, a fictional descendant of Hiawatha would note that Hiawatha's mother was Winona, but that his father was which of these? West Wind, Little Owlet, or Laughing Water?
West Wind.
West Wind, the correct answer. Good for 20 points, Granby. And the last question. The Crossroads of America, the quotation. This phrase might suggest a fast food slogan, but really it's actually the official motto of what Midwestern state whose natives are called Hoosiers?
Indiana.
Indiana is the correct answer, and that ends the perfect round for Granby High School. Good going, team. We have 2 perfect scores. First Colonial 140 points, Granby High School 140 points. Now it's time for the visual round. In this round, correct answers are only worth 10 points, and we will subtract 10 points for incorrect answers, as you know. Teams are now in direct competition. We're going to provide 10 visual clues, and I'm going to ask corresponding questions. Remember, wait to be recognized by school and by name before you answer, and remember, there's no conferring with your teammates. Are you ready? First visual clue, please. Although soybeans and peanuts are now major agricultural products of Virginia, we see here...
First Colonial, Chris.
Tobacco.
Tobacco, we do indeed. A Tidewater farm planted with what long-leafed inedible crop? Tobacco, the correct answer. Next visual clue. Your monitor picture portrays the 1776 Battle of Trenton, at which Washington's troops routed what British mercenaries?
Granby, Gill.
Hessians.
Hessians, named for their German home principality. The correct answer. Next. This carving is part of the Elgin marbles. Although this sculpture group is now in the British Museum, it originally adorned what famous Greek temple on the Acropolis?
First Colonial, Paul.
The Temple of Athena.
No, on the Acropolis in Athens, the Parthenon is the answer we were looking for, the Parthenon. Next question, please. What is the numerical value of the product shown on the monitor?
Granby, Craig.
1.
1, the correct answer, Craig. Next visual clue, please. Some companies have many branch offices, but a single branch can provide a home for weeks for what slow-moving three-toed mammal?
Granby, Craig.
Sloth.
Sloth is the correct answer. Next, this fog-bound valley is the approach to Cheat Mountain, one of the major peaks in what eastern state that officially calls itself the Mountain State?
First Colonial, Chris.
West Virginia.
West Virginia took the clue. Good for 10 points. On your monitor is a constellation that seems to be threatening the 7 maidens of the Pleiades. What is this well-known hunter of the sky?
Granby, Gill.
Orion.
Orion is the correct answer, Gil. Next question, please. This fine example of quartz rock crystal contains chlorite or chloros, the Greek word for what common color?
First Colonial, David.
Green.
That blends yellow and blue. Green, the correct answer. Good for 10 points. Number 9. This may be the oldest functioning windmill in America. Built in 1812, it is now located in what resort city on Narragansett Bay in Rhode Island?
Granby, Gordon.
Cape Cod.
Newport, Rhode Island is the answer I was looking for. And the last question. This lonely chapel marks the spot where Maximilian, installed as emperor by the French in Mexico, was executed by the troops of what acting president of Mexico in 1867? Time. The correct answer is Benito Juarez. And that ends the visual round.